Okay, students, this is the lesson we are going to learn. This is reading A, The Snake and the Mirror. The Snake and the Mirror. The meaning of mirror, Addam. It's a very humorous story. That means the story that makes us laugh. Page number 3. Page number 3. Now I am showing you a diagram, a picture from this picture, a picture from this lesson. Observe this diagram carefully. If you understand the diagram, if you watch the diagram carefully, every detail of the diagram carefully, every detail of the picture carefully, you can understand the story very easily, because whatever you see in the diagram is explained in the lesson. Observe this diagram, and all the details in this diagram are not clearly seen. Chala clear ga em kanipincho. I know that because the writer wanna tell us through this diagram that it happened in the darkness. చీకటిలో జరిగింది. Not totally dark, not completely dark. You can see. What can you see in the picture? You can see a man. We shall go close. You can see a man here. Observe, he is not wearing anything. He is reading a book and he is sitting on a chair. In front of him there is a table, and on the table there is a kerosene lamp. Kerosene lamp. That means the room didn't have electricity. Current లేదు రూమ్లో. And a match box and a comb, దువ్వెన, and a mirror is in front of this man. Mirror. You can see the reflection of the man in the mirror. Right? Now see, there are two nails. మేకులు ఉన్నాయి, and a black coat and a white vest, 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 bunion. Vest and a bunion. And you observe the state of the bunion. It is not in a good state. It is in damaged state. Shabby. SHABBY, shabby. అంటే మాసిపోయినట్టుగా ఉంది అది. Okay? And observe the room now. It has two windows, and you can see a bed. On the bed, a blanket, pillow, and you can see the door. Through the door you can see that it is night. It is a yard. YARD, yard అంటే తోట. అదంతా పొలాలు, తోటలు అవన్నీ ఉన్నాయన్నమాట అక్కడ. Can you observe that? And you can see the room is completely surrounded by darkness. రూమ్ అంతా చూడండి చీకటిగా ఉంది. I think it's now clearly understood. Now observe, I'll show you something on the floor. If you can watch this, it is in a blurred state. Okay. Now it is focused. Can you see anything? Yes. Rat. Can you see the rat at the bedpost? ఆ మంచం కోడి దగ్గర చూడండి, ఒక rat ఉంది. Can you see that? Can you find it out? Okay. And I'll show you some other thing, some other area of the diagram. The roof area. roof. Can you see anything on the roof? If you can see rats on the roof. Rats on the roof, and you can see wood logs. Logs made of wood. Dungalu. They are called gables. వాటిని gables అని అంటాం మనం. చూడండి ఇక్కడ చెక్కవి కనిపిస్తున్నాయా? gables. Here it is another gable. Here is another gable. It is in the darkness, so it takes a bit of time to identify these gables. Here is another gable. You can see them very clearly in your textbook. You please open your textbook. You can understand this diagram in a clear manner. And you can see rats also there. Okay. I've showed you the details of this diagram. You better understand this diagram if you watch this in your textbook. These are the details of first diagram. I'll show you the details of another diagram. Next page. So this is your second page diagram. Here you can see a few changes in this diagram. The room is again completely surrounded by darkness. There is no change. But you can see that the man not wearing anything. Shirt kuda veskoకుండా, he is running away. You can see him. And you can see a new creature now. What is the new creature? The snake. And you can see that it is looking into its reflection. It is looking at its reflection in the mirror. This is the major change in the second picture. Observe, there are not many changes. You can see that there are not many changes in the room. Everything remains same. One change is that the man is running away. And observe, he is not wearing anything. See the change in the mirror, and in front of the mirror, a snake. This is the major change in the second picture. I'll show you the third diagram. Now observe, this is the third diagram. You can find some changes here. Observe the room clearly. Now it is not completely surrounded by darkness. There is no darkness in the room. It's broad daylight. తెల్లవారిపోయింది. Maybe the next day. Okay? Everything is clearly visible. Observe the roof. You can see gables, and you can see a few rats. Now it is clearly visible. Observe the gables, rats. Under the bed, you can see a rat. Observe the room clearly. There is nothing what you see in the earlier diagrams. There is nothing on the bed. There is nothing on the table. And observe this area. One thing is missing and the other thing is left over. What is the one thing that is missing? Coat. COAT, coat. ఇందాక మనకు ఒక బ్లేజర్ కనిపించింది కదా, కోట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ దేర్. బట్ ద వెస్ట్, VEST, వెస్ట్, బనియన్ ఈజ్ లెఫ్ట్ ఓవర్ దేర్ because you can understand that it is in damaged state. Got it? And here a human. You got this diagram clearly? You please go through this diagram in your textbook so that you can understand the lesson in a better way. Okay?